Need some help? Here's how to build the SEGO double-sided Lightbox display. First, lay the side panels on the floor and connect them. Now that we have our frame, we need to attach the LED connectors, like this. Then we need to secure the inner support poles. Make sure they snap into place. Doing great. Now we need to attach the feet to our display. Once that's done, we need to connect the wire and the transformer. Don't forget this part. You may want to test the power to see if it's working. Now we can insert our silicone graphic. Start from the corners and work your way to the middle. Be sure to properly attach the graphic, inserting the graphic fabric with the silicone. And just repeat this process for the back graphic.